Hello everyone, welcome to Each and Everything. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a clean install of macOS Tahoe on your Mac. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let us begin. For performing a clean install of macOS Tahoe on your Mac, you will need a Mac and a macOS Tahoe Bootable USB. To create the bootable USB for yourself, follow the guide from the I button. If you do not have an Apple developer account, or if you have an unsupported Mac that does not allow you to create a bootable USB, or if you face any other issue, I have the perfect solution for you. I have made a separate video that shows exactly how to create a bootable USB. This method is super easy, it's simple, and it works without any problems. I will also add the link in the description, plus I will pin the URL in the comment section for quick access. After creating the bootable USB, boot your Mac to Startup Manager. For booting your Mac to the Startup Manager on Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until you see the startup options. Now plug in the macOS Tahoe Bootable USB if it is not already plugged in. And then from Startup Options, select Install macOS Beta and click on Continue. Now, if you are greeted with the macOS Assistant, close the Install macOS Assistant. Now, select Disk Utility and then erase the main volume with the following parameters. Now, if you are prompted with the Erase Mac notification, click on Erase Mac and then select Erase Mac and Restart. Your Mac will restart. After that, you will need to activate it. After your Mac is activated again, boot it to the Startup Manager. Then proceed with the macOS Tahoe installer. Now, select your language and click on the right arrow key to proceed. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to install macOS Tahoe. Here, select the disk you created and then click on Continue. Keep in mind that during the installation process, your Mac may restart several times, so do not worry about that. And macOS Tahoe setup screen is here. Set up your Mac according to your preference. And finally, the macOS Tahoe desktop is here, and macOS Tahoe has been successfully installed on your Mac. So that was it. I hope it was useful. Consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.